You'll be sad. So at this point, I would put this in the biface pile. It's still got a couple little problems. I mean, we're going to have to... Alright, so you can see the bulb of percussion is what we've got to deal with next. See the bulb there? We got to get it off of there. I'm using a pretty heavy bopper for this, but I like the heavier boppers. I can swing them slower and still get the same results. Or no results. Or in snap. Alright, so we're definitely in the biface pile now. There you go, boys. That's how you take a nice rock and make it into little bitty rocks. Alright. So we're going to set that aside. Now we got this. That was the other side of that cracked piece. Can we do anything with it? I don't know. I guess this flake could tell us. Getting high on the platform. Trying to hog off material. Now when I say high on the platform, I mean hit here. Not down here. So this is a hammerstone platform, right? You want to hit it high. I'm looking to knock big flakes off of this because I want to get this thin fast. This is so small. And that flake kind of hit another crack and jumped out, so that'll probably stop us for a minute. We're going to go ahead and deal with that. See this little lumpy bump? Yeah, get that off of there. If possible. If we break this, I mean, this is a piece of stone that probably, or a piece of glass, that probably belonged on the mat anyway. So, no harm, no foul. Let's push it, see what see if we can get anything out of it. Okay. Alright, so we clean that up. There's still some more flakes to come off that bottom there. Platform getting too steep. Now, I think that's as far as I'm going to go with this piece because this is a pretty good candidate for indirect percussion to turn these heavy square edges and get a point out of this. There might be one more flake right there. Good, hinged up. Which is fine, I can get it from down here. You don't have much width or length on this. I mean, at best, you're going to get a small point. So, but with stuff like this, this is the kind of stuff you want to practice on, you know? Hit it hard. Hit it weird ways, you know? What difference does it make? If it survives or it doesn't, you know? It don't make no difference at all. Till you get it under control and make it into a biface, then you get a little attached to it. I'm rambling. It's been a long day at work.